Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angel. If you're new here, welcome to my space. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial of me doing my quick go-to everyday makeup when I'm going to work or if I'm going outside for a quick run and I want to look my best. First, I will be starting off with some Fenty Skin, the moisturizer, and I always feel like if my face isn't greasy, then my makeup will not come out looking the way I want it to. And I feel like I found this out over the years of using different primers, even setting sprays like the MAC Fix Plus. I always feel like when my face is moisturized, it looks its best. The foundations I'll be using is Maybelline's 24-hour Stay in Warm Sun and Cappuccino. So right now I'm going in with Cappuccino. I know someone's about to comment like, girl, that ain't your color, your tan is too strong, but let me just tell you this, trust the process. Even with using Warm Sun for my highlight, it's like, guys, you have to trust the process. Now I'm going in with Sacha Buttercup and I'm going to put that all over the highlighted areas. To warm up my face, I'll be using MAC Skin Finish Sun Power all over my face, mostly concentrated in the areas that I'm going to contour and kind of just blend that highlighted area into my contour areas. Then I go in with CoverGirl's Full Spectrum in Deep Cool, and that's my contour color that I'm using for today. I'm not using my regular contour brush. I'm really kind of irritated that I didn't use my contour brush because I felt like I could have just got a nice chiseled face if I had used it. But this Real Techniques face brush is still good. I still love it. I was still able to do what I had to do. Next, I'm going in with Spiked for my eyebrows, and guys, I'm gonna just be real with you. Recording like this, I kept forgetting to tilt my camera so that way it was a better shot, you know. So I'm sorry if the eyebrows portion doesn't look that dope, and if you want me to go more in depth on how I do my eyebrows, let me know. For my lips, I'll be using Chestnut paired with Jubilee from MAC. It's one of my favorite combos. First of all, Jubilee is my favorite MAC lipstick. It's like the best MAC lipstick in my opinion for my skin tone. I love it. And then I'm going to go back in and bronze my skin up some more with that MAC Skin Finish in Sun Power. I love it. Bring it down your neck. Step back. Now I'm going in with Kat Von D's Go Big or Go Home mascara. And guys, if you like what you see so far, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I need to know that you guys like this content. I'm going out on a limb here. I'm trying to throw things out, see if you guys like it. You know, tell me what you guys like to see. If this is something that you guys would be interested in me taking more time and really explaining how I blend, you know, my foundation in, how I blend my concealer and my, you know, all of that kind of stuff. Let me know. I want to know what y'all want to see. Because your girl's out here. And then I make sure I wipe my earrings. You know, I kind of do a little something to my baby hairs, and voila, that's it. That's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you really enjoyed this look. It was really quick. As I said, it's my quick go-to makeup. And if you made it this far, you are a real one. Big up yourself. Thank you so much for your support. It means a lot to me, and don't ever let them dim your light. Comment below your response. I love you guys. Keep being safe. Keep practicing the correct social distancing guidelines, and remember to drink lots of water and stay healthy, okay? Love you guys. Peace.